Schlage smart locks require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network to connect properly. This frequency band provides better range for low-power devices like smart locks. If you have a dual-band router, make sure the 2.4 GHz network is enabled and broadcasting a separate signal. For clarity, separate the 2.4 GHz network from the 5 GHz network using distinct names in your router settings. The initial setup of your Schlage lock begins with Bluetooth pairing. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone to establish a local connection with the lock. Next, open the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. The app will detect nearby locks and begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app to add your lock. This typically involves selecting your lock model and confirming the connection. Once paired via Bluetooth, the app will guide you through connecting the lock to your Wi-Fi network for remote access. Ensure your network is compatible with the lock's requirements. After Bluetooth setup, the lock will switch to Wi-Fi for ongoing remote control. This completes the initial pairing process. If your Schlage lock shows as offline, follow these steps to restore connectivity. First, power cycle the lock by removing and reinserting the batteries. This refreshes the device and often resolves temporary connection issues. Second, in the Schlage Home app, navigate to lock settings, select Wi-Fi, and choose Forget Network. Then, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Third, ensure the Schlage Home app is updated to the latest version, as updates include fixes for connectivity problems. If the issue persists, perform a full reset by holding the Schlage button for 10 seconds until the lights flash. Then, repair the lock via Bluetooth in the app. When encountering wrong password errors in the Schlage Home app, first verify the network name and password. Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure uppercase and lowercase letters match exactly. If the password is forgotten or incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature in the app. This is linked to your Schlage account and allows secure password recovery without losing access. Avoid manual resets of the lock if possible, as this can erase custom settings and require full reconfiguration. Advanced troubleshooting for router settings begins with checking your router's configuration. Access the admin panel through your browser to view Wi-Fi settings. Next, ensure your 2.4 GHz network uses WPA2 or WPA3 security protocols. These provide the necessary encryption that Schlage locks require for connection. For better connectivity, place the lock closer to your router. The 2.4 GHz band has good range, but can be affected by distance and obstacles. Some routers need a dedicated 2.4 GHz SSID separate from the 5 GHz band. Check your router's settings to enable this if available. Enable two-factor authentication in the Schlage Home app for added security. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. Keep your lock's firmware updated to patch vulnerabilities. Check for updates regularly in the app to maintain security. Regularly change your access codes. This prevents unauthorized access if codes are compromised. Be aware of phishing attempts targeting smart home devices. Never click suspicious links or share credentials. Schlage is moving towards hybrid connectivity with thread mesh networking for better reliability in smart homes. App updates include AI-driven diagnostics that automatically troubleshoot connectivity issues. Looking ahead, Schlage plans 6 GHz compatibility by 2027, along with AI-enhanced security, energy-efficient chips, and commitment to 100% recycled materials by 2028. For persistent issues, contact Schlage support directly for device-specific assistance. Check their website for tutorials and FAQs.